In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Outlook to write and rewrite emails. By the end, you'll know how to draft a brand new message with Copilot and how to refine text you've already written, all while keeping your tone clear and professional. First, open Outlook and start a new message, or reply to an existing one. In the toolbar above the email, look for the Copilot icon. Click it and choose Draft with Copilot. If you don't see the icon, make sure you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web with a Copilot-enabled account. Once the Copilot pane opens on the right, tell Copilot what you want to say. Be direct and specific about your goal, your audience, and the tone you want. For example, you could say, "Write a professional email to my manager requesting a status update," or "Draft an email informing the team about tomorrow's meeting." You can also mention helpful constraints like keeping it concise or including a brief call to action. Click Generate and Copilot will create a draft. Read it carefully and decide what works and what doesn't. If it's not quite right, click Regenerate for a fresh version, or tweak your prompt and generate again to guide Copilot more precisely. When the message feels on point, select Keep it to place the draft into your email. From there, add any final details only you can provide, like specific dates or context your recipient needs. As a best practice, always proofread for accuracy and clarity before sending. If you've already started writing and just want help polishing, select the text you want to improve. You'll see the Copilot icon next to your selection. Click it to open rewrite options. Choose what you need. Adjust the tone to be more formal or more friendly, make the text shorter or longer, or simply improve clarity and grammar. Copilot will update only the selected passage based on your request, so you stay in control of the message. If the result feels close but not perfect, refine your request with a phrase like more concise or warmer tone, and try again. You can always undo changes if you prefer your original wording. That's all there is to it. Use Draft with Copilot to quickly get from idea to first draft, and use the rewrite options to fine-tune your voice, tone, and length. With a clear prompt and a quick review, Copilot can help you communicate more effectively in less time.